highly automated, highly technical. I know in the metalworking business, the transformative new application is printing, 3D printing.
What it means to me is producing things that make people's lives better, more satisfactory.
Every day coming in and something different every day. I don't have the answers, but I have a team here to get people around.
This is an extensometer. We're going to mount this on the test specimen. That's going to tell us how fast it's pulling that piece apart.
The ultimate tensile strength. That's how we design bridges. That's how we design things to last. We built the largest vacuum furnace primarily for the needs of the titanium industry in this northeast Ohio, western Pennsylvania area. And we own a U.S. patent on it. And it's been one of the best discoveries that we've had for our corporation because we are well known in the world for our large vacuum furnace.